Today I'm going to share with you 3 things about YouTube. Maybe you face this problem during few days. That is, YouTube cut your revenue from your lifetime, you, or YouTube cut your dollars from your lifetime revenue. So why this is? I find out the 3 method and 3 signs why YouTube cut dollars from your lifetime revenue. So today I'm going to discuss about that. Hope this video will be helpful for you. So keep watching this video till the end. First of all, if someone wants to earn money, if we maximum people wants to earn money lots of from YouTube, they think they can be earn millionaires, but problem is that they use VPN. If you use VPN and YouTube knows about it, then they will start cutting your dollars from your lifetime revenue until they want to stop. So my suggestion is that don't use VPN for earning more money. If YouTube knows about it, they start cutting your monies how much they want. So my suggestion is for you, don't use VPN. Just keep working hard, your success will be come. Second one is, if you watch your own videos and YouTube knows about it, then they will start cutting your money from your lifetime revenue. Same the way, just think about that. You have videos, no viewers on your videos, and you just start watching your own videos from using other device and start seeing your ads, clicking on your ads. YouTube thinks it's spam and they catch it. After they catching it, they start cutting your money until they want to stop. So don't try to watch your own videos from your account, other accounts. So stop watching your own videos. Number 3 is, if you are new YouTuber, that's why YouTube cut your few dollars at the starting time. They cut it because they want to check you how dedicated you are about your passion. So don't worry about it. Just keep working hard and keep uploading your videos on YouTube. Your success will be catch you soon. So hope you can understand my videos and you can understand my logic, what was the reason behind of YouTube cuts your revenue, lifetime revenue.